Let's say we wanted to work on a webgl project with 3D models that we got from Sketchfab or a colleague. After downloading, one way to analyze the 3D model is to load it into your app and log its structure. But you'll always have to do this whenever you needed to learn more about the model. Another way is to use a 3D software like Blender or Cinema 4D. In Blender, we click File, Import, GLB, find our file and click on it. Now you can see our nodes. But how do we inspect the materials? We go to Shaders Editor, then click on parts of the model to see what materials are used. Okay, let's render. Damn it, we need to set up lighting. I want to give up now. As you may have noticed, using a 3D software means you should already know how to use them, and for beginners getting into WebGL, this is a long path. Even for experienced developers, this process is not intuitive. This is why I started developing 3E, a VSCode extension to ease this workflow. 3E is built with 3JS and React 3 Fiber, so you get a close experience to what it will be like in a browser. Let's talk about the features. There is the appearance tools. You can view your models in wireframe mode, normal material, basic material and randomized basic material. Finally, the textured mode. In the textured mode, you have the option to select these many environments. Now, animations. If the models come with animations, this panel will automatically appear, allowing you to play them. This drop-down allows you to select the different animations and preview them. You can also copy the animation name so you can use it in code. The outliner lets you see the names of the parts of the model and some other properties if available, like materials. Lastly, for React 3 Fiber developers, GLTF to JSX export. Clicking this button will let you download a JSX representation of your model. Saving in .ts will export as a TypeScript file and .js as a JavaScript file. There are many more relevant features to come. Please note that 3E is not a 3D modeling or texturing or animation tool. It doesn't modify GLB files. It only previews them and provides helpful information about them. If you'd like to follow progress on 3E, subscribe to this channel and follow me on Twitter @_YOGR. Link to the extension in the description. Please remember to leave a like and share this awesome news with your friends. Bye.